Tackle light-duty cleaning tasks wherever you need it with the SunJoe SPX6000C. Its cordless design allows you to transport it and use this pressure washer just about anywhere. The SunJoe pressure washer includes a 34-inch wand and a trigger-style switch to control water flow. The SPX6000C is powered by a 40-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. Simply charge and insert the battery pack and you're ready to clean. The SunJoe SPX6000C has 3 power settings to adjust for light, medium, or heavy-duty cleaning. The 5.3-gallon bucket holds plenty of water to tackle multiple jobs around the house. The pressure washer also includes an adapter to connect to your garden hose if needed. To start cleaning, simply attach the bucket, fill with water, and turn on to the desired power setting. The pressure washer's pressure select technology lets you easily switch between power levels to clean garage doors, patio furniture, vehicles, and much more. It also includes 4 different quick connect spray tips and a soap spray attachment to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Use a low degree tip for concentrated washing of garage doors or stucco, or a larger degree tip for washing your car or trailer. Maneuvering around your home and garage is easy thanks to the easy glide wheels and top handles on the bucket. You'll find it's an excellent pressure washer even for its compact size. It is excellent for cleaning around your car, boat, or RV. It can even be used to rinse house siding or cleaning decks. Keep it clean with the SunJoe SPX6000C.